Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be singing this verse thing. This it is a verse. Why am I calling it a thing? This verse to you, and hopefully it'll help you remember it and carry it in your heart and share it with others and all that, because it'll be in remembrance since I'm giving it to you in a song, because that's how I like to remember scripture, is through song. Okay, so I learned this song from where I was working this summer, which is CEF, which stands for Child Evangelism Fellowship. And yes, and the scripture is Ephesians chapter 2 verse 8, and it says, "For by grace are you saved through faith, and that not of yourself, it is the gift of God." Okay, so the song, it goes like this: "For by GRACERUSAVED, through FAITH in God alone, and that not of yourself, it is the gift of God. For by GRACE are you saved." Yes, and I love it, love it, love it. Helps me remember. Yeah. So hopefully I helped you remember a scripture. So you learned a scripture today, Ephesians 2 and 8. So yeah, just carry it in your heart and share it with others, because we as Christians, we need to be learning this stuff, We need to be learning this scripture and the word and stuff and carrying it and living it out, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope I helped you out. All right, God bless.